Going up all is well. Today video is going to be a breaking video or for most an update on Movado's son Dante Brooks, who back in November we learned that he was supposed to have a no jury trial case for January 7th that took place, and then today the 27th we're learning that they did in fact went ahead and charge him. So he has been convicted for murder of I think the guy name was Lorenzo Thomas, my memory served me correct, and also possession of illegal firearm. He was locked up for about, I want to say, 3 years back in 2018 at the age of 15. So now he's 18, so they did try him as an adult. So now we're gonna have to wait and see what's the next step. So yeah, that's the breaking news where Dante Brooks is concerned. All right, later.